Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right in the description box below. And today I have come up with this look over here. This is a very easy, very sexy look and easy red smoky eye. I just finished my entire eye with just 3 products and wow. So this is a very easy look. You can wear it to parties and functions, and if you're a bride, please do wear this. It'll be very nice. Bride to be, this look will complement your lehenga so well, and you can just add on little falsies and it looks so glam and so bomb. And if you want, you can apply an eyeliner, but I didn't want any eyeliner. This looks so beautiful by itself, and I am pretty sure you guys will love it. And so do keep on watching. Moisturizer, I'm going to take the Mamaearth oil free moisturizer, this right over here. And for primer, I'm taking the Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer. I'm going to allow this primer to sit, and then I'm going to do my eyes and then come back to my face again. I'm going to tape up my eyes. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I'm going to take a base shade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take pink and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. So once we're done with that, I'm going to take the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the lipstick like this. I'm going to zoom you guys in. And then I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadows. This is in the shade 05 Rose Gold Retro. These are the perfect dupes for Stila liquid eyeshadows. But the thing with these are you have to keep on layering them over and over again. They work beautifully and equally they are good, but the thing is you have to layer them a little more because they are a thinner consistency than the Stila liquid eyeshadows. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it right in the center of my eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys again in. And make sure you're not opening your eye till it's completely dried, otherwise it'll sit off in your lines and it won't look good. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. While this is drying, I'm gonna go do off my brows. This is the Miss Claire brow pencil. This is in the shade medium brown. I'm gonna take that and complete my brows. So this eye is almost done, so I'm gonna just peel this off like this. For people who wanna put a eyeliner can go ahead. I just like it raw like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little more of the lipstick, little more of it, and I'm gonna complete off my lower lash line. So I'm gonna zoom you guys again in. I'm gonna quickly complete off this eye and be right back. That our eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead with foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This is a very beautiful foundation. For people who are beginners, you have to try it out. Is so luminous after using this foundation. I have not applied anything underneath other than primer and moisturizer, and look at that. So such a beautiful foundation. I love it. Next up, I'm going to take Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40 Caramel. This is such a beautiful concealer. I just can't. Always take out time to blend your concealer and foundation. I take a lot of time to blend off camera because I cannot keep showing you how much blending I do to get a flawless and seamless finish. It's all about blending. So I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me. I have not baked my eyes today, I've just let it be. And my jawline, a little bit of powder contour. So I just want to leave that for a while because it'll give the chisel look. Step, I'm going to do blush, and for a blush I want a very nude blush because eyes are already very heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Nicka K palette and I'm going to take this brown. This is what I do for a nude blush, and it is much convenient because you're having like so many colors and it's never going to get over. This is a multi-use palette. I love it because everything is like super matte, but these 4 are blushes, but others are all supposed to be just eyeshadows. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this orange and I'm going to mix it with this brown, and then only I'll apply. It's a beautiful blush. It's like coral and it is nude and I love it. So I'm just gonna dust off my bake now. How chiseled my face looks. That's what we're aiming for. And don't worry about the blush if it's heavy. Blushes are the first thing to run out of your face, so don't be scared to apply a little bit extra. So next thing, I'm going to do a highlighter, and I have this LA Color Strobing Illuminating Powder. This is in the shade A Gleaming Goddess. This is a beautiful highlighter, and it has this very beautiful sheen to it, and I'm going to use that. So I'm going to take a little bit in my finger and put it to my brow bone and onto my nose and to my cupid's bow. I'm going to take Chamber in the shade Chamber or Chambord, like how people pronounce it. This is the Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade 406 Nocturne. The thing is, before Chamber never had any names for the lipsticks, which was really disheartening. But now they have come up with names, and this particular 406 is called as Nocturne, and it is a very beautiful lipstick. Take this Kylie lip liner pencil, and I don't remember the shade. Just get myself together and be right back. So this is my completed look, guys. I hope you liked this. This was super easy to do, super glowy look, and I love red, and red is my most favorite color, and I just love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you really enjoyed, please do like, share and comment, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. You all, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, bye.